Hi everyone, this is a requested tutorial from Willy Evans. He was asking how to play video on the target image. So that's what I'm going to show you. So as you can see, we have opened the project that we have created in the last tutorial. So first of all, I'm going to delete this diamond. Okay, once I have deleted the diamond, as you can see, we don't have any target image. So we'll bring the target image back. Now go to the samples, open the scene and double click on the target image scene and save our scene. Now as you can see that this is the target image we need. Now what you need to do is open the target image, click on the quad and then drag and drop onto any folder you want. I have created a prefab folder. Now this will create a prefab of this quad. Okay, then I will open the scene back. Now make sure you don't save the original scene. Click on don't save. Okay, now our scene has been opened. Now what I will do, I will just drag and drop the quad onto the target image like this. So as you can see, we have now target image back. So the next step is add the video onto the plane, onto the quad. So as you can see, I have already imported the video. Video importing is very easy. Just drag and drop into the Unity. It will automatically import like this, as you can see. So I will delete this one. Now what you need to do is select the quad and drag and drop the video onto the quad like this. That's it. You have now video onto this target image. So another thing is we don't need this material. So to remove this, what you have to do is create a new material and I'll name this video. Now drag and drop this material onto the quad and that's it. You don't need to do anything else. Once you have done this, go to the file, go to the build settings and make sure you have scene. If you don't, click on add open scene and remove if any empty scene is here. Now click on build and name this, and now it will start building. Okay, I will install this on my iPhone and show you how this is working.